Good morning, everybody. This is Mark, and we're back here for T3 Live. It is Monday morning, gloomy in New York, but we're here anyway, and Memorial Day weekend is right around the corner, so look forward to that after a beautiful weekend. So this morning, obviously the talk of the town is still Facebook. It broke IPO price, but again, it's not open, so pre-market it's trading below 38. My opinion is probably by the open, Morgan Stanley, I think, with the green shoe, still tries to support it at 38. We'll have to wait and see. But that being said, that took a lot of fluff out of this market. The hype of the Facebook for the last few months has brought this market, has brought certainly these social media stocks to a whole new level. And with the glitch, with how Facebook opened up, way below expectations, obviously above the IPO price, but below individuals' expectations, and quite frankly, I think institutions. It brought a little, it burst the balloon a little bit, and I think you now need a lot of time. The LinkedIns, the Zyngas, which has not been performing at all, but the LinkedIns, Yelps, some of the other social media stocks that, quite frankly, were almost at highs, are now probably going to either do a lot more digestion or gradually move down to the downside. So any pop at this point in time, I think, is going to be shortable on the LinkedIn's, probably against, it's around 100 right now, but anything below 100, 105, I'm still going to be looking to short it and look for opportunities there. This market has not found the bid. The ideal situation would be a gap down. We didn't get it again. We don't seem to be getting the A+ trade we all want. I'm looking at 1295, 1275 on the S&Ps as some support, at least initially. You have the 200-day around 120, 128 on the SPYs. So we're still not there. And the fact is, this market has not found support. You can rewind every day and it's the same play. First part of the morning, we get a little bit of a rally that doesn't last. And then there's shorting that comes in. So any rally at this point has been sellable. Trend is your friend. Keep that philosophy up. At some point, again, I've been saying this, a day and a half rally is going to happen. But I'm looking at my macro charts, and I don't see anything worthwhile, worth owning. There's zero that I have conviction on in the swing account right now. And every little rally, I'm looking to, put some new shorts on. Stuff that when we do find support or when we do have the day and a half rally, I'm going to be looking at the Expedias, the Amazons. I still think Google, even though it was a sell as of Friday, but those are the three that, and obviously Apple. But Apple still hasn't found support. It's trying to here, but we'll have to wait and see what happens around 230, 220, 225-ish, or 520, 525-ish, 535-ish. We'll have to wait and see. It's up a little bit this morning, but again, nothing to write home about. We are in sell-off mode. With that being the case, obviously, just like when we were in bull market mode and we're trending higher on rallies, it's an opportunity to get new shorts on, not an opportunity to put on new buys for any sort of length of time. You could certainly rent the buy, rent the long side, just like we could have rented the short side for periods of time. But stick with the trend. That's the key. That's really where you make the real money versus just the in and out of what happens. Obviously, Facebook's going to be on my radar again, but if they cannot hold the IPO price, we can't short it. So it's just going to be one of those stocks you're just going to have to watch go down. But the other social media stocks probably will participate. Banks, just to mention briefly, nothing really hanging in there. JP Morgan continues to be in the news every day. But at the same time, I'm not looking for anything exciting to happen. So overall, I'm neutral with certainly a bearish tint, but we are getting to very oversold conditions where bounces do happen. But I want some charts to set up on smaller time frames for that to happen. Look for the S&Ps down to 1275 as a first opportunity. Good luck today.